अस्सलाम व्यूअर्स, कैसे आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। अल्लाह के शुक्र से मैं भी ठीक हूँ। तो आज हम आए हैं पार्क। अभी ये इवनिंग टाइम है, स्कूल से आए हैं बच्चे, तो कह रहे थे आज मौसम नाइस है तो आओ चलें पार्क। तो ये पार्क हमारे घर के नज़दीक ही है, तो इधर हम लेकर आए हैं सब बच्चों को। तो इधर ये खेल रही हैं सब। छोटा सा पार्क, इतने नहीं हैं बच्चे क्योंकि लोकल सा पार्क है ना। तो इधर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कह रही। मैं पहली बार आई थी तो बच्चे लोग सब आए थे अपनी डैडी के साथ, तो कह रहे थे ये बहुत अच्छा पार्क है। तो इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम हियर। तो इधर ना सब और प्लेइंग अबाउट। तो इधर ये स्लाइड है। So here now we're going to a canal area. It's so nice. It looks like a jungle. So we're going to see what's there. So here in the canal we got some boat houses where people live here. I do wonder how people manage to live in boat houses. How they manage, it's really hard. So this is one boat house, and there's two boat houses over there. So we will have a look around, and if anyone's in the house, and we'll probably question them as well. Carry on. Hello. You okay? Yeah. Hello. So do you live here then, like in boat houses?
My friend's boat.
Oh, okay.
I live on a boat as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm in with firemen at the moment.
Oh. So how do you manage like living in a boat house? It's quite hard, isn't it?
It's all right. You got most of the stuff you need.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about council tax.
that's true.
Still, you still pay.
So do you still have to pay like?
I have to get a licence.
Oh.
Which is 500, 600, 700, depending how big the boat is.
Oh.
But then if you move, you just have to move every 14 days. But if you go in a marina, then you can pay quite a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to move every 2 weeks?
Yeah. Yeah, Tom's got special leave to stay here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, normally you have to move for 2 weeks and
move around, just keep moving.
Yeah, look, technically you're only supposed to do 24 miles a year.
Yeah.
But you could do that in a day.
In there, yeah.
If you really went. I know they don't go fast, but you can.
Oh, okay.
No, I enjoy it. It's a little bit different to
Yeah. So like,
hard work with the kids though.
sorry? Oh.
Yeah, probably hard work.
Oh yes, terrible with the kids then.
And obviously you got to be careful.
Yeah. So they got a nice garden area here, so we'll just sit and have the dinner or something, just to be outside from the boat. So after playing and having a stroll down the canal, the children got hungry, so I went around the corner, which is a local shop, and ordered some fries, Happy Meals for the kids, and then we had a small picnic in the park. And then once we eaten, they had another 10 minutes of quick run around, and then we came home. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.